Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you doing? I hope you are well. Today we are making orange chicken. The ingredients are: I take a non-stick pan, I add the chicken in it, half kg almost chicken. I add little bit oil in it. 1, 2 tablespoon oil add in किया and seasoning, little bit salt and little bit black pepper. 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 to 2 pinch black pepper. Cook the chicken for half raw, half cook. 70% cook the chicken. Look at made orange sauce. First, I add in 1 tablespoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon soya sauce. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. 1 tablespoon chili sauce, 1.5 डाल लें and vinegar, 1.5. Orange juice 1. I have regular orange juice, not processed orange juice. Oranges are available in market. Use the regular oranges. 3, 4, 5, 6 tablespoon orange juice and ketchup. Ketchup 2 to 3 tablespoon. Enough है. Ketchup and chicken powder. It is available in the market very easily. You can purchase it from the market. 1 pinch chicken powder. Look at our chicken become done. Half raw, half cooked, 70% cooked chicken I have. I take it into a bowl. Made sauce. The ingredients are 1 tablespoon garlic. You add the garlic according to your taste. I have red peppercorns. It is very easily available into the market dried form. I add dried red chili peppercorns round. I add 3. You want to make spicy, you add according to your taste. I add 3 and add the little bit oil, ghee. Diet conscious people use olive oil. According to your taste, little bit oil. 1 and 2. When the garlic become brown, I add the sauce in it and add the chicken in it. Our orange chicken is ready. Look at garlic became brown. I add the chicken in it and add the sauce, orange sauce which I prepared in front of you. Add on it. I have little bit orange juice, so therefore I add in and mix it well and add on the chicken. Our orange chicken is ready. Look at our final look of orange chicken. In the last, I add the corn flour in it to make the sauce thick. It is our final look of orange chicken. You serve the orange chicken with noodles and white rice. If you serve with the white rice, chicken have protein and the rice have carbs. Complete meal. If you serve with the orange chicken with noodles, it is the complete meal. Recipe understand कर लें again. I have half kg chicken. I take a non-stick pan. Add the 1 and 2 tablespoon ghee, oil, olive oil, sesame oil, coconut oil according to your taste 2 tablespoon, and add the little bit salt and black pepper. Cook the chicken 70% half raw, half cooked. Separate the chicken. For sauce I have 1 and 2 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 1 pinch chicken powder and soya sauce and chili sauce and ketchup 2 to 3 tablespoon ketchup and 6 tablespoon orange juice. Regular orange juice available into the market. Oranges are come into the market. Take the oranges and make the juice. Add in it. Mix it well and add the sauce on it. And add the black pepper according to your taste. I don't add the salt in it because soya sauce, chili sauce and vinegar have lot of salt. Therefore, I do not add the salt in it. Mix it well and add the sauce on the chicken. And in the last I add the take the corn flour 2 to 3 tablespoons. Event. Try this recipe in your home. I try the recipe in front of you. Chicken cooked well, very tender. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Very delicious incredible recipe. Try this recipe in your home. आपने मुझे अपनी दुआओं में याद रखना है. मैं बहुत जल्द फिर आऊँगा. You try this recipe in your home must. मैं बहुत जल्द फिर आऊँगा एक नई रेसिपी के साथ. आपने मुझे अपनी दुआओं में याद रखना है और मुझे आपने इस रेसिपी के मुतालिक प्लीज़ गिव मी द फीडबैक ऑफ दिस रेसिपी. ट्राई दिस रेसिपी विद वाइट राइस एंड नूडल्स. नेक्स्ट टाइम वी मेक द डिफरेंट रेसिपी विद नूडल्स. ओके बाय. खुदा हाफिज़. फाइनल लोग देख लें.